ackee, which is usually served with saltfish and is the national dish of Jamaica. Ackee is poisonous if the pods don't open naturally, so don't force open the pods. When the ackee open on its own, it's perfectly safe to eat and is very delicious. Now before cooking, you will need to remove the seeds and the red pit that's inside the ackee. Let's talk about the health benefits and why ackee is good for a healthy heart. Ackee is rich in vitamin C, potassium and fiber, which are important for a healthy heart. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure. Super important for the heart. Once ackee is prepared properly, it is definitely worth the try for the taste and the health benefits.